Hello, it's been a while since I've been on the YouTube channel, and I'm getting close to finishing up my Firebird. I've got a rear spoiler, and I got a front splitter that I've got ordered that I've got to put on. I've also got some window rubber that goes around here, and the other stuff here is pretty worn out, and I've got some bolts, this and that's for it, and I hope you guys enjoy watching me do my stuff on my car, and I hope you do it. You have to be very careful when you're putting on the spoiler that you get it exactly where you want it. Measure very, very carefully, because once you drill holes in it, that's it. So measure twice, cut once, I always say. An easy way to mark your spots where you're going to get it ready to install it is with tape. That you don't have to do anything that's going to leave any marks on your car. It's a lot easier if you set your trunk lid up to where it doesn't slide around. That's how you mount them. Now we gotta paint it. We're gonna paint it black and finish it, bolting it in, and we're all done with it. It's a little bit of a hassle, but it's well worth it once you get done with it. We're out for now. Gotta get this spoiler ready for paint. Gotta do some sanding on it, get some primer on it. Using 220 grit sandpaper on it right now. Then we're going to paint it black. Well, as you can see, we got it painted. I think it came out pretty nice. No runs. Came out pretty nice. All we got to do is install it after it dries. Well, we've got it installed. I think it came out pretty nice. You too could do this pretty easy. It took me a day and a half with painting and sanding and everything to get it done. And I would say that I'm probably into it with paint and primer and the part about $200, so not bad. You guys can do it yourself.